Let's explore the three biggest islands on Earth: massive, mysterious, and packed with surprises you probably didn't know. First up, towering at number 1, Greenland, the largest island on the planet. It spans a staggering 2.16 million square kilometers. That's bigger than Mexico and nearly the size of Saudi Arabia. But here's the twist. About 80% of Greenland is buried under a thick, icy blanket of glaciers and snow. So why the name Greenland? Legend says it was a clever marketing ploy by Eric the Red, a Norse explorer who hoped to attract settlers by making it sound like a lush paradise. Despite its enormous size, Greenland is one of the most sparsely populated places on Earth, with just around 56,500 residents. That's fewer people than some small towns, spread out over an area that could swallow most countries whole. Because of its geography, deep fjords, icy coasts, and few roads, Greenlanders own more boats than cars, relying heavily on the sea to get around. And if you're a nature lover, it's a dream destination. In the summer, you can witness the midnight sun, where the sun doesn't set for weeks. Come winter, the skies come alive with the haunting beauty of the northern lights. Coming in at number 2 is New Guinea, covering around 785,753 square kilometers. It sits just north of Australia and is split between Papua New Guinea in the east and Indonesia in the west. New Guinea isn't just big, it's wildly diverse. It's considered the most linguistically diverse place on the planet, with over 850 languages spoken across its rugged highlands, thick jungles, and isolated valleys. It's like hundreds of cultures living side by side, each with their own unique traditions. And the wildlife? Straight up bizarre and wonderful. This island is home to creatures you won't find anywhere else, like tree kangaroos, which are exactly what they sound like, kangaroos that live in trees. And then there's the hooded pitahui, a bird so toxic its feathers can cause numbness, one of the only known poisonous birds in the world. With dense forests, towering mountains, and regions still barely explored by outsiders, New Guinea remains one of Earth's last frontiers for biodiversity. Last but not least, at number 3 is Borneo, spanning 748,168 square kilometers. This Southeast Asian giant is shared by 3 countries: Indonesia, Malaysia, and the tiny but wealthy Brunei. Borneo is a treasure trove of nature. It's home to an incredibly ancient rainforest, dating back over 130 million years, a timeline that makes it one of the most enduring ecosystems on the planet. Within it lives the elusive proboscis monkey, instantly recognizable by its giant, comically droopy nose. Scientists believe the males' noses help amplify their calls and impress the ladies. Also roaming the jungle is the bearded pig, a scruffy, strange-looking creature often jokingly called one of the ugliest pigs on Earth. But this incredible ecosystem is under threat. In 1970, roughly 75% of Borneo was cloaked in lush rainforest. Today, only about 50% remains, thanks to massive deforestation for palm oil plantations and mining. Both Indonesia and Malaysia, which control most of the island, are among the world's top palm oil exporters, a multi-billion-dollar industry with a heavy environmental cost. Yet, despite human pressures, Borneo remains one of the planet's most captivating biodiversity hotspots, and conservation efforts are still fighting to protect what's left. 3 islands, millions of secrets, each one a world of its own.